Supposed to be mixing the concrete. Bring the concrete. Come on, pour this one there. These are the pipes we see from the old septic system. And this is where we are casting in the new floor for this holding tank, sediment settling tank, and the pumping chamber. So, pour the concrete down there. Yeah, pour it on. Right there, pour. Yes, so this is the chamber for settling and for the pumping chamber. It's taking to shape, and those blocks are hollowed walls which are going to be filled with concrete and steel. So by the time we get up to the top and allow it to dry, we had a cave in here which will come in handy. We will have to use it again, make use of that space. So we put the lines here for the pump out lines and the chlorinator lines. Okay, so we are back again at it, and this is line here is just a temporary for desilting the drains, house drains that we have stopped flowing into the trenches. This is water that's coming here. At that point there, you see those are where we have connected the septic tank. That area there, we have connected all two septic tanks that flow into this other line, which will be going down into a line that goes into the settling chamber down there. And then we have another trench here, you see here, which is going to take the flow from the other septic tank where you see the jackhammer is. We had a problem here with our overflowing toilet that created this situation for us. So we are dealing with this first and getting out of this muddy, rusty water. It's the nature of the job, so no complaints. We need to finish rebuilding this up and doing the collector hole better to avoid any wobbles in it. And at that time we should have at least 90% of the plumbing done. We have the casting of the cover. We casted the covers yesterday. Yep, so we casted the covers yesterday. That will cover this settling chamber and the pump chamber. And see, we have this man down in here still completing, putting the final touches. So this is what the hole will look like for the settling chamber. And this is the pumping chamber he's standing in. And we are going to get this done, basically all the plumbing out by this afternoon. So as we go along, we keep you updated. And building your new septic system, or reviving your septic system, we've been invigorating it, whatever you want to call it, we're building it. You need to call Puran at 704-987. Alright, so we're coming down to the end of the job. And cleaning up going on here. Trying to restore. This is where the inspection chambers is, and this is the existing septic tank. We have raised the cover to meet the floor level. I need to install the air pump, which you see sitting there next to this. However, we don't have electrical power yet. The electricians are working on it. And we have covers here, partly covers here for the septic, the settling tank and the pumping chamber. The existing soakaway is still this thing, and we prepared all the paving here for the other soakaway where we made the connection that's going to the settling chamber. So we're back on stream with the system. It's working beautifully so far. We're having this pump coming on maybe like 3 times per day, which is good for a 12 apartment complex. It's not like we have a lot of water to pump out. This is where we're going to put our chlorinator, and hopefully in another day we'll have this whole thing up and running. So we have a line here, another line here coming for the other air pump, which is for this tank, and I'll take a branch off into the settling chamber as well to ensure that it will have some aeration taking place. So that's how it goes. This is the work we do. Anything in plumbing, yeah, from changing a washer to building a mini sewer treatment system like this, and even more, solar water heaters, everything you think about in plumbing, call Puran Kanta at 704-9879. We're here to do business. Let me join. We're here to do business. Sure to guarantee to get good quality work all the time, every time. Okay, so don't let your sewer problem cause a headache for you, and let your neighbor give you problems and call the EMA and the public health department. Call Puran instead, and let's get this job done for you. Thank you. So keep tuning to my channel for more videos on this and other things, my travels around the globe as well. Good night.